who were the key figures of Ireland's Gaelic revival. Imagine a time when Ireland's language and culture were fading under foreign influence. The Gaelic revival was a movement to bring Irish traditions back to life. Many passionate individuals led this effort. Douglas Hyde was a central figure. Born in 1860 in County Roscommon, he was a Protestant scholar who loved Irish language and culture. Hyde co-founded the Gaelic League in 1893 and became its first president. He believed that preserving Irish language and customs was vital to resisting Anglicization. Hyde's work helped make Irish a living language again. Later, he became the first president of Ireland, symbolizing the nation's cultural rebirth. Eoin MacNeill was another key leader. A scholar and nationalist, he also helped start the Gaelic League. MacNeill worked hard to promote Irish language education in schools and communities. His efforts helped make Irish a part of everyday life for many people. He believed that language was the heart of Irish identity. Pádraic Pearse was a passionate writer and teacher. He edited the Gaelic League's newspaper, Enclave of Solace, which means the sword of light. Pearse saw the Irish language as a way to connect with Ireland's true spirit. He thought that language and culture were essential for independence. Pearse played a major role in the 1916 Easter Rising, a rebellion for Irish freedom. His dedication inspired many to see Irish culture as a symbol of national pride. Peadar Ua Laoghaire was a storyteller and writer. He worked to preserve Irish folklore and traditional stories. Ua Laoghaire's writings helped keep Irish cultural stories alive for future generations. His work encouraged a renewed love for native Irish traditions. Pádraic Ó Conaire was a prominent Irish language author. His stories and essays modernized Irish literature and made it more appealing to young readers. Ó Conaire's work helped show that Irish language literature could be fresh and relevant. Other important figures include W.B. Yeats, Lady Gregory, and Edward Martyn. They contributed to the Irish literary revival, which overlapped with the Gaelic revival. They promoted Irish mythology, poetry, and drama, helping boost national pride. Organizations like the Gaelic League and the Gaelic Athletic Association played big roles. The Gaelic League worked to revive Irish language and arts, while the Gaelic Athletic Association, founded in 1884, promoted traditional sports like hurling and Gaelic football. These sports became symbols of Irish culture. Today, visiting Irish cultural centers, museums, or attending Gaelic sports events can connect you with the legacy of these key figures. Their work helped shape Ireland's identity and keep its heritage alive for generations to come.